All right, we're back. Got the rubber mallets. See if I can just help break the seal a little bit. Of course, I know all the bolts aren't out yet. We'll still give it a jiggle. Let's just try with one left in it. Yeah, I can smell that oil. Can't say how old it is yet. Can't see it in the light. Coming out, it looks pretty dark. I mean, obviously the alternate method is to suck it out through the drain plug, but that's just a waste of time. So, I don't feel anything major loose yet. It is enough to come out, but not enough to pull it away. Just let it drain that way for a while. Not much to grab hold of here. And there goes the sun behind the cloud. There we go. Starting to get a little bit looser. There we go. I don't want to just pull it off and have it go one big splush and splash everywhere. Alright, I think we're getting there. Although it sure doesn't seem like it's close to a gallon. Yeah, open this up a little bit more. There we go. There we go. There's the cover. I can pull it off now. Alright. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if that's a new gasket or not. I need to get a light in here to see. Need to bring a light in here anyway, inspect the gears. From what I can see, how much sludge is in here? Oh yeah, very sludgy. I can just feel my finger dredging it. So if they changed the fluid, they didn't do what I would have done, which is to clean out the case, flush it out. As a minimum with a towel. I mean, this, I can just feel metal bits and crap in there. Alright, that's going to be in the next chore. Let this drain a little bit more. I got to get some light in here. And then clean out the inside. I can't spin it from what I know. But we'll see what we can do. Okay. Oh, we got some light. And from what I can see, there's a lot of debris in there. I don't know any way to be able to check all the gears the way I'd like to without removing them, which I am not going to do that because I do not have any indication of failure. I don't hear any clunking or any grinding. So I think at this point we're just going to clean it up, replace gasket, stick with the original plan, put some new fluid in there. What came out? It seemed to be about 2 to 3 quarts. What it calls for 3.5, 3.9, I don't think was in there. But 2 probably. Of course, when I pour it out of the drip pan into a gallon jug, I'll be able to tell a little bit more. But regardless, it's got debris. I see a little bit of rust here and there, but I think it's going to be all right. We'll just get some new fluid in there. So, in the meantime, I'll get it cleaned out. And the other feature I wish GoPro had was to be able to zoom the camera while it's in recording mode. It just would be helpful. Let's see what we can do here. It's possibly that it's new, I don't know. If they didn't clean it out and they just replaced the fluid, it might look like this. But to me it looks like there's a bit of water intrusion in here as the oils, and it's got that kind of mildly milky color you'd expect with water. And there's some rust right here, which is like this was turned at the low point when there was water. But I didn't see water come out separated from the gear oil when I opened it up. But I have a feeling at some point in the past there was definitely water in there. Get out of here, mosquito. It's frickin' January, go away. No major chunks of metal, but I can feel it, I think, in the sludge. Gritty. These things are pretty darn strong, so a little bit's not going to be worrisome. And that's really about all I'm going to be able to do here. Yeah, I see metal flecks there, right in that area. I don't know enough about differentials, if they have magnets in them or not. I don't see anything right in front, so if there is one, it's buried, which is useless to me because I'm not tearing it apart. Yeah, that gear is extremely close to the case on the interior. So this rust I see, it probably had, I'd say, 3 inches of water or water contaminated oil to allow it to rust. I don't know if you can see it there, but definitely rust on the outside of that I don't know, planetary gear. I don't know. Yeah. I think as long as I get it back in that oil bath, it'll be alright. I don't think there's any yeah, of course the wire brush is not in front of me. Let's see if I can figure out what type of gasket we have here. It looks like a fiber gasket. And it may be fiber being held on by some type of gasket material. Got a break in the gasket right here. Huh. Now that's the metal. Yep.